So I'm not really sure how these fit with a linear functions mastery test, but it doesn't matter. They're good questions and we need to know them. So let's go ahead and get stuck into question 8 here. Straight away here, multiplication, division, these are just straight index law questions, aren't they? So what am I going to have to do for the first one? It's going to be A, all the bases is the same. When I'm multiplying, I add the indices, so it's going to be 5 plus -2 plus 3. When you're doing division, you subtract the index, so it's minus -6. Well, that's just going to be plus 6. So what have I got here? 5, 6, 7, 8 minus 2 is back to 6, but plus another 6. A to the power of 12 is the first one there. You could do it in steps if you wanted, but it's just as easy to do it all at once for that one. Not too bad at all. This is 3/4 divided by 3 to the power of 4, sorry, divided by 6 squared, multiplied by 8 cubed, multiplied by 9 to the power of 5, divided by 12 to the power of 3. This one you do need to be a bit more careful. When you've got division and multiplication, you work them out going left to right. So here I've got 3 to the power of 4 divided by 6 to the power of 2, multiplied by 8 to the power of 3, multiplied by 9 to the power of 5, divided by 12 to the power of 3. And that's the way you should be working out that one. Now, interestingly here, 3, 8, and 9, well, you know 8's power of 2, 9's the power of 3. 6, well, that's made up of 2 times 3. And 12, well, that's 4 times 3, or 2 squared times 3. So we can use index laws to simplify these and express everything in terms of just powers of 2 and 3, which I think is what's implied by the simplify there. So let's go ahead and do this. So I've got 3 to the power of 4. Let's keep our numerators on the top now that we've sorted out exactly what's where. 8 we said was 2 cubed, so 2 to the power of 3, all to the power of 3. 9 is going to be 3 squared. That's all going to get raised to the power of 5. 6 I'm going to make 2 times 3. This is all squared. And 12, it's going to be 2 squared times 3, all to the power of 3. Wow, bit of a mess this one. Get our powers of 3 together on the top and our powers of 2. So this is 3 to the 4. When I've got a power raised to a power, I multiply them. So 2 5s are 10. 10 and 4 make 14. So it's 3 to the power of 14. 2 to the power of 3 times 3 is 9. Down the bottom here, I'm going to have 2 squared. And here's 2 squared being raised to the power of 3. So that's 2 to the power of 6 plus another 2 is 2 to the power of 8. Here I've got 3 squared and 3 cubed, which gives me 3 to the power of 5. In total, doing our division, cancelling our powers, 5 down the bottom here, 5 powers of 3 can cancel with 5 from the 3 to the 14, leaving me with 3 to the 9, and 2 to the power of 9 divided by 2 to the power of 8 leaves me with just 2. So it's 3 to the power of 9 multiplied by 2, and that's fully simplified. If you check it on your calculator, you should find that they give you the same answer. Why don't we go ahead and do that just for the fun of it? And just to make sure you convince yourselves that it's going to give us the right answer. So let's go to menu. We'll just go to our run menu. 3 to the power of 9 times 2. What is that? 39,366. Not too bad. Let's try typing in the entire thing over here and see if we get the same answer. So I've got 3 to the power of 4 divided by 6 squared multiplied by 8 to the power of 3 multiplied by 9 to the power of 5 divided by 12 to the power of 3. Whoa, 39366. So we know we got it right, and that's a good way to check it if you had to do something like that in your exam. Last one here, question 3. What do we have? We've just got powers of x and y. Pretty much a nice, easy version of the question we just did. Let's sort out our numerator and denominator first. So I've got x to the power of 3 times x to the 3, so I add those together. 3 and 3 is 6, plus 1 more there is x to the power of 7. Y to the power of 1 plus 2 more is y cubed. Denominators, there's only one x on the bottom, and y to the power of 4 times y to the power of 5 is y to the power of 9. Cancel x to the power of 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. I'm left with x to the power of 6 on top. 3 3 on the top, 9 y's on the bottom, so obviously there are more of them on the bottom. Y to the power of 6 is how many are left over. And that's all you have to do. That's the answer for that one. All right, catch you in question 9. Bye.